Shanta Vimala Prakasha Atma Guha Chidyogasya Sri Parananda Adi Sadguru Namamyaham Punah Punaha Namamyaham Punah Punah Na Guru Radhikam Na Guru Radhikam Na Guru Radhikam. Good evening, everybody. It is the grace of Guru Mandala, Shri Mata. We are assembled once again here for Jnana Yajna. Wonderful evening. Yeah, in the previous Jnana Yajna, we have been speaking about something. Joining in the middle, it makes me problem. I don't know what to do. We've been talking about the form. It's really the formless. The divine is formless. And more so, it is not outside. It's inside. All that spoken. In continuation of it, I should speak about, should understand about what exactly happens when we do the external worship and also Japa. When we accept it, there is no form. And the divine is within ourselves. Then what are we doing outside? This question do arise, and it has to arise. Right now? Will it not arise?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. Two things, a normal devotee and a seeker is, devotee goes to the belief system, and a seeker has come out of belief system, if I'm right. And for him, the form doesn't exist. Yes, not only form doesn't exist, it is not outside. It is within me, within us. And what happens? Still we offer the puja. Still we do japa. Agree? Then what happens? Has to be seen. Now let us see. Maybe the subject which I am talking today, slightly difficult to comprehend, slightly difficult to accept, or I don't know what words I should use, because totally in a different dimension. The good example could be, we are looking at moon from our perception, being on the earth, na? Isn't it so? We are seeing moon. And really, if we land in moon, what is observed is totally different or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, Guruji, it's different.
That cannot be accepted so easily. Because we have been seeing, enjoying the moonlight for many, many years after we understand what moon is, being on this earth planet and landing and looking at is totally a different situation. So same thing may happen here when I talk about the puja or japa, whatever I'm talking today. What is we also do the puja or japa, expecting that it has a result. Yes or no? You have to answer me at every point, please.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. That means we expect a response to the puja or japa. Agreed?
Yes.
Yeah, simply
Yes,
Guruji.
Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, we expect a response and we'll look forward for the response. Then that is because to go further, at every stage we require the assertion or negation. Then only I can go. So when we do japa, what is that we expect to respond? Or what is that response to our puja japa is a question. Right now? Then
Yes.
what are we addressing then? We something to respond, we should address. See, a good example will be, is it so? I'm addressing you, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Guruji.
Guruji.
I am making it to make you easy. Unless I address, unless I address, you can't respond, right? With that except, then what are we addressing first? We should see. Then we should see what is actually being addressed when we do the japa. Or what are we addressing? When we do japa or puja, are we sending a message outward?
Yes, Guruji.
We
We are
think so.
sending it. We are sending a message outward. Correct? I do some ashtotra. I do some dhupa, deepa, all that. What I think is, I am sending something outward. Is it not so?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
That's my understanding. I am sending something outward when I am offering puja japa. Then what really happening is not that nothing I'm doing. There is I'm applying many things for sending that message within myself. I have my attention when I'm sending something, right? Which is called ekagrata. Are we not?
Yes, Guruji.
We are. And we have the vibration of the mantras we chant. Need not be a mantra. Even ashtotra, shatanama, whatever you do, there is a vibration. Is it not so? So
Yes.
we are sending this message with our chitta ekagrata or attention, with the vibration, with the nada, mantra nada, sound form, and with the bhava and sankalpa. Is it not so? These three together, what happens? What happens? These three together, it reconfigure the structure of awareness itself. It is not outside. When we combine these together, there is a restructure or reconfiguration of the awareness itself. Where is the awareness? Within ourselves, right? So when I repeat it, or once again to go through that, when we do that puja, what happens? There is a chitta ekagrata, there's a vibration of sound vibration, and there's a bhava and sankalpa. These three together reconfigure. There's a awareness has some structure. See, we have an awareness. We have awareness. We can't deny. We have awareness. That awareness has some structure also. Everything is a structure. It is already structured. Awareness is structured. These three things together reconfigure that structure of awareness. Difficult to understand, difficult to digest, maybe. But listen, we'll see what happens. And you can imagine yourself when we are doing puja or japa. Are we doing these things? Really, if we recall, when we do puja or japa, have we used all these three things? The attention to our vibration, as well as we have a bhava and sankalpa. Is it not there is a change in the awareness? If you all have experienced it, is there a change in awareness?
Yes, Guruji.
This would have happened to everybody. If at all you have not done puja.
Yes, Guruji.
During that, if you apply all these three together, there is a reconfiguration in the structure of awareness. I don't say change in the awareness. Awareness is same. The way it behaves, the structure of that is likely to change. Do we accept this and go ahead further? Do we accept this?
Yes,
Yes,
Guruji.
Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah. So the response, I address it now. I address the divine with my offering, with attention, with nada, and bhava and sankalpa. I addressed the divine. The response is the same thing. A change in the state, the change in my awareness, the change in my behavior, change in my clarity, change in my power. Beyond that, the silence of consciousness itself is the response, not a reply from elsewhere, which is a cosmic energy elsewhere. It is not the forum before us. It is the response to our worship, response to our japa comes from within. How you experience it. There is a change in the state, change in behavior, change in clarity, change in power. And there is silence of consciousness itself. It is not the response from elsewhere. It is not the response from elsewhere. We experience it. Then why do we call it? Something is responding to us. This state, we call it or feel it, or we refer it to something responding. It is our own awareness, our own silence of consciousness, all this, but we say something is responding to my japa, something is responding to my puja outside. Why we feel that? Though it's happening from within, why we feel it is happening from outside? Can somebody answer this?
We are yet to realize, Guruji, that it's